I have here an orange box, a tiny orange box. So I will show you what this is. It is a super cute addition to my mini family. So here it is. I've actually had this for a while now. This is the Constance Slim in Etude with gold hardware. It is a super cute belt bag. It's super easy to use. You just need to insert your belt here, your strap here, and then just use it on as you would a belt. So this is the catch where you open it. It's the same as all the other Constance bags. It's the lift. You just have to lift this part up. And then here the inside comes with 2 slip pockets at the side and then 1 major compartment. So this works and doubles as a wallet as well. Yes, they do have the Constance wallet, but the problem with that is it is a lot slimmer this way, so it does not fit as much as compared to this one. So this one's a little bit broader here and it's a little bit more squarish in terms of the shape as compared to the wallet. I actually wanted to get the wallet at one point in time, but then I got this one instead, which I have been using to death and I love to bits because it is so slim and it is perfect for me, and I don't really carry much coins or anything, so I don't have a need for like a coin compartment. So I just ended up sticking to this one. So this is the, I think the click something. But yeah, anyway, the color is in Blue Broom. That was the only reason why I actually got this, by the way, because of the color combination. It is in Blue Broom with the gold hardware, and I really wanted this color combination, which was why I actually got this, and it turned out perfect for me. So anyways, what fits in this? You can actually fit your wallet, if it's tiny enough, into this one, but when you do that, it's kind of really stuffed. Yes, it does fit, but then you're kind of limited in terms of like what else you can put in here. So a better way for like how I actually use this bag is to actually just take out my cash or card, just insert it directly into the compartment, or you can just use the slip pockets at the side. That works as well, just to, you know, if you want to keep things organized or anything like that. And then you can just insert in all your other stuff. You can put in your phone. For the video's sake, I'm just going to put in the cash. And then you still have room for either like, you know, a little lip balm or your car keys. It fits perfectly here, so everything is really snug. There is no need for an organizer. You don't have to get an organizer for everything. For something as small as this, an organizer, even no matter how thin, is going to take up space. And so if I'm using this bag, I try to make sure I'm wearing an outfit with pockets, at least 1 pocket or 2 pockets, a blazer. I can just chuck in, you know, my lip balm in there. If I'm out with my husband, then of course the car keys goes in his bag, and then I'll just bring out my lip balm. But if not, if I'm out by myself, then I try to make sure that I have pockets. How do I carry this bag as a mini bag? I should not say this bag because it's not a bag. This, I don't know, pouch? So basically I got this strap. It comes with this little card piece here. So you just need to take this and then just shove it to the back slip here, and just make sure that it's all the way at the back, and then you pull the 2 rings out here, and then you can just close it. So it is super simple. So the one I got is a color that is really similar to Etude, and it is made of genuine leather, which was what I was really looking for, because I did not want to get something synthetic, because synthetic leather has that smell. I don't know if you can understand what I'm trying to say, like that smell, but it does have that smell, at least to me, and it does not feel as nice on the skin, and with time the thing will just wear out and all of that. So that's what I did not want, so I looked for one that was made of genuine leather. So this is it, and yeah, it's pretty easy to use. But if you don't mind, or if you want to use a chain, for example, then you can, but all you have to do is to get any card that you have, a gift card or whatever card that you have, poke 2 holes at the side so that it looks similar to this, and then you insert your straps into the card that you have made with the holes. And then you just take your card and then you insert it to the back slip pocket here, just so that it does not move around. Because if you were to just take, you know, a random strap and put it in like this, every time, I used to do this with my mini Kelly strap, so that's the reason why I can understand, but it's somewhere in my cupboard, so I'm just not going to look for it right now because I don't really have much time. So if let's say you just take any strap and every time you open this, the bag is going to slip off, which is not what you want. It has happened to me before, so I speak from experience. So anyways, I have used this quite a fair bit, and I honestly love it for carrying all the bare essentials. So if you're looking to get one, and if you're worried that it's just going to be, you know, a white elephant sitting on the, is that what they call it? Yeah, anyways, you get what I mean. If you think that, if you're worried that you're just gonna end up just leaving it there and not using it because of the space, then if you are only the type of person who carries the bare essentials, then this would be perfect for you. But if you need to carry a lot more things, then of course this is not so ideal. Sometimes, if I'm carrying a slightly bigger bag, then I just use this as a wallet as well. So it really depends, but I seldom use this as a wallet, mainly because of the slots here. Things can actually come out if you're planning on putting in coins or whatever. But yeah, I don't really carry much coins, so that's fine. Or even if I do, I just chuck them in my bag. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!